Hi, my name is Barry Anderson. I'm a director cinematographer, and I'm here today to talk with you about a new piece of equipment. You might say, hey, the Lowel Rifa, that's not a new light. You're right, it's not. What it is a brand new conversion kit for your Lowel Rifa EX. You get a new LED bulb, bicolor, full control, along with a new diffusion face, and you can take a piece of equipment that might be sitting on your shelf or that you don't think has any value. For just a couple $100, you can go ahead and make this quick conversion, and now you have a light or a set of lights that you can go out and start making money with. The way that they set up, you can just drop it on a stand. This is literally just you push it into place, pops open, screw in the bulb, and then you put the diffusion on, and then you have your little remote. There is no Bluetooth or apps to connect, just simple and fast manual controls of brightness and color. Finally, a company that is helping you breathe new life into your existing gear without spending a fortune. The Lowel Rifa LED Bulb and Diffusion Upgrade Kit that converts your old unusable lights to new lights with new life.